Example 1. Mamba Iron Ore Company takes out a bank loan to buy mining equipment for 2.5 million rand. The loan is repaid over a period of 6 years. The interest charged on the loan is 9% per annum, compounded monthly. Calculate the monthly repayments. Calculate the balance outstanding on the loan at the end of 4 years, immediately after the 48th payment. How much of the actual capital has been paid on the loan at the end of 4 years? How much of the money paid at the end of 4 years was interest? Solution. Let us draw a timeline to summarize the key facts given in the problem. This is an example of present value annuity, as we know that regular payments are being made to repay a loan. Loan is being repaid in N equals payment of X Rand at the end of every month, starting 1 month after the loan was taken. Recall the formula for present value annuity. Here, P equals 2,500,000. I equals 0,09 over 12. This is the effective monthly rate. N equals 6 times 12 equals 72. Substituting the values, we get X equals 45,063 Rand and 84 cents. If we need to calculate the balance of the loan at the end of 4 years, we need to look at the outstanding payments. That is, payments that still need to be made at T48 and pull them back to the present value at T48. Here, P equals X equals 45,063,84. I equals 0,09 over 12. This is the effective monthly rate. N equals 72 minus 48 equals 24. Substituting the values, we get Therefore, the balance outstanding at the end of 4 years is 986,409 Rand and 4 cents. Actual amount paid off on the capital at the end of 4 years equals loan amount less outstanding balance of loan equals 1,513,590 Rand and 96 cents. The amount of interest paid at the end of 4 years equals money that has been paid until the end of 4 years less the amount paid off as capital until the end of 4 years equals 649,473 Rand and 36 cents.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.